Hello kids, I'm Priyanka and I'm back again with my new chapter Learn Yoga from Animals. Since the year 2015, the world has been celebrating June 21st as an International Yoga Day. As most of us will know, yoga is a culture of physical, mental, and spiritual discipline perfected in ancient India. Yoga, as an ancient Indian discipline, is a composite practice involving the complete mind body soul complex that is a human being. Here, let us focus on yoga, an integrated system of physical exercise that help us to attain concentration, focus, and also improve flexibility, balance, and strength. From an ancient Indian discipline, let us move to a very contemporary area of research. Experts today are doing a wonder job of drawing us into the world of biomimicry. In simple terms, bio means life and mimicry means to emulate. Basically, biomimicry is a science of solving human problems with a solution already present in the natural world. From this point of view, yoga is also a form of biomimicry where in typical asan or poses we emulate mountain trees, fish, cat, and so many more animals. This helps solve our problem but day to day living, such as stiffness and back pain, and also allow us to keep physically vibrant and mentally sharpening. Before we proceed further, here are we basic precaution regarding yoga practices. If you are a beginner, you should start practicing yoga either in presence of yoga teacher or join a yoga class so that you can learn basic and do and don'ts of yoga. Asana should be practiced in a clean and airy and well lit room. The floor should be level. It is advisable to use a yoga mat. If it is not possible to practice indoors, you may practice on the level ground outdoors. The best time of practice is in the morning before breakfast or in the evening before dinner. Some of the poses described below much must be learned from an instructor before you attempt to practice them on your own. Bhujanganasana is a beginner pose. Bhujanga is a Sanskrit means a cobra. Bhujangasana is a pose that resembles the posture of cobra with raised head. This asana help you to tone the muscles of the back and strengthen your spine. If you benefits the chest and the shoulder, lie face down, relax your muscles completely so that you are completely at ease. Place your palms on the side just below your shoulders. Breathe in deeply as you slowly raise your head. Then smoothly raise the upper part of your body. Do not come up with a jerk. Let the movement be smooth and flowing. Come up slowly so that you feel the movement of the spine vertebra by vertebra. Curve the spine well. The navel must keep touching the ground. Hold the breath in this position to a count of 20, then come down slowly while you breathe out. To start with, you can repeat the process 6 times. Shimashna or lion pose is a favorite with young people. In this asana, you assume sitting position and facial expression of a lion. Although there may be a number of steps, this pose really requires very little effort. Sit with a leg back folded under you and that your toes are pointing straight behind and you are sitting on your heels. Keep your spine straight but as relaxed as possible. Close your eyes, focus your attention on the center of the forehead. In the yoga, this point is often referred to be the third eye. Closing your eyes, touching your palate with your tongue. Take a deep breath through your nose with your tongue. It's still touching your palate. Inhale in one strong move while sticking to your tongue and opening your jaws as much as possible. Also, your arms should be thrown out and stretched with your fingers splayed. Roar at the top of your voice while exhaling. The roar should be with a ha should not be long drawn out one. Rather, it would be one of the strong explosion of breath that empties your lungs in the shortest time possible. Hold this pose for around between 20 to 30 seconds. Do not inhale immediately after this pose. Inhale after a few seconds. Repeat 5 to 6 times. This asana posture gets its name from the way you stick your tongue out as far as possible and the way you hold your fingers splayed out, resembling a roaring lion. Marjar, Majarya Asana is a very popular cat pose. This too is a simple asana for beginners that stretch the muscles of the abdomen and the back. Majar Asana should be a part of the morning yoga routine as it gently stretches the muscle and get rid of body ache. Start on your hands and knee. Start on your hands and knees so that your back is raised in a tabletop position. Make sure that your knees are positioned directly below your hips. Your wrists, elbows, and shoulders should be in line and perpendicular in the floor. Center your head in the neutral position with your eye looking at the floor. You can, as you exhale, smoothly arc your spine upward and towards the ceiling, making sure you keep your shoulders and knee in position. Release your head towards the floor, but don't force your chin to your chest. Inhale and come back to the neutral tabletop position on your hand and knees. So start with, you can repeat the process 6 times. Garudasana or an eagle pose enhance your body ability to balance itself. It also strengthens the leg muscles and improve the flexibility of the joints by losing the joint muscles. Steps: standing straight on both feet, raising the right leg and wrap it around the left leg. Right thigh should be over the left thigh and the right feet should touch the calf muscles behind. Similarly, wrap the right around the left hand. Now place the palm together to resemble an beak of an eagle. Try to maintain the balance and slowly bend to the left leg and lower the body until the right toes touches the ground. Try to remain with this pose as long as you can to maintain balance. After this asana, relax for some time before you repeat the process. Uttarasana or camel pose strengthens the back, opens the shoulders, chest, cardiac. It is also boosts mood and energy. This yoga posture adds flexibility and strength to the body and also help in improving digestion. Kneel on the yoga mat. Place your hand on the hips. Your knee should be in line with the shoulders and the sole of your feet should be facing the ceiling. As you inhale, draw in your tailbone towards the pubic as if being pulled from the navel. Simultaneously, arc your back and slide your palms over your feet till the arms are straight. Do not strain or flex your neck but keep it in a neutral position. Stay in this posture for a couple of breaths. Breathe out, slowly come back in the initial pose. Withdraw your hands and bring back to your lips as you straighten up. Note, you may place your cushion below your knees to ease your way in this pose. Thank you.